What's up, J Crew? Welcome back to the channel. We're just gonna jump into it. We are doing a sway bar end link on my mom's Ford Flex. Me thinking that it was the strut, which it wasn't. Thanks to Weird Beard. After watching his video, he said always check your sway bar links to make sure that it's not the strut. And sure enough, I did. The sway bar link bushings are damaged. So let me jack this truck up and show you guys what I'm talking about. Holy moly. Alright, so the tire's off. So here we go. I got a bushing. It's like completely not there. Got a top one. That one's still there somewhat, but I'm still gonna replace it. And here go the shock right here. So what I might do anyway, just go ahead and just order new struts. Be done with it. But until the time being, I'm just gonna change out this this sway bar link. Now I gotta see how I'm gonna get back there. Okay, so this what I got is a 3/8, but I would not trust this kind with the kind like this open wrench thingy, cause I feel like that'll strip it, but it worked in my favor. Need vice grips to hold this down. So that's that. And by the way, it is drizzling. So don't mind me. As you can see, it's raining, so it's not gonna stop me. Look at that. That's bad. So let's put the other one in now. Get this over with. New one right here. Pretty nice, huh? Let's put this in. Okay, this go to the bottom. This go to the top. Here's in. That. Put this one at the bottom. Alright, so let me screw this in real quick. Well, apparently the new bolt is smaller, so it's not a big deal, but man. I hear thunder. You will need grip pliers for reinstallment, so yeah. And that is done. That's the way the cookie crumbles. So yeah, this was pretty bad. Really bad. So let's put the tire on and go take it for a test drive. It's in there. July 1st, 2021. Sway bar link. And I don't hear no crackling. Oh. Let's get on the road. Okay, this path that is headed to my backyard is rocks. So, let's see. Shush. She sounds better than it was, but now you can tell that it is the struts. But I don't hear that banging like that it was, like rattling. Here go a hole right here. Oh yeah, that's better. Way better than it was. It was like rattling everything on this truck. But I'm still gonna get the struts for this truck. So that's good. And the steering wheel is aligned now. All right, let's go straight. Here we go. We're going straight. Straight. There we go. Oh, nice. Yeah, she is dirty, as you can see. This is my mom's. I love these trucks. Okay, here go a hump right here. Oh yeah, you can't hear it anymore. Oh, that's way better. Of course. I know I keep saying it, but if you drove this truck right here, if you drove this truck before I fixed that, you'd be like, what is going on? Like when I was driving, I always thought that something was wrong with the engine. Like it was like vibrating like crazy. And I was like, oh, I hope nothing ain't going on with the engine. But it is the sway bar link, but I'm still gonna get the strut because you can still hear the strut banging and stuff. So yeah, and I'm gonna try to get the other side done. If not, then probably don't need to get it done. So yeah, 147,000 miles. I changed the sway bar link. Dude, I know there's a road down here that it got like a big bump. All right, so there's a road right here, and it's about to pour down rain. But see those little man covers right there? I like to hit them when I'm fix something on my cars, like the suspension wise, to make sure that it's doing its job. So I'm gonna hit another one right here. Yep. Like if I hit that before I fix this, it would be like blah 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 blah. Like that's the best way I can do it. but it would be like loud and it would like shake the whole truck. So here go another one. Yeah, it would have shook the whole truck if I didn't have to fix it. So good thing I did get that fixed. But welcome to Bradenton, Florida, everybody. Beautiful scenery here. Small town. So I love my little small town Bradenton. It reminds me of being in Indiana. I love Indiana, by the way. So let me go home and, So I really hope you guys like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Comments down below and tell me what you think of this short video of replacing sway bar end links. So see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.